Hi.
Hi, my name is Bonnie. I'm from Shenzhen Edup. We are a company to produce a Starlink accessory for everything, including...
So this is little Starlink right here.
Okay.
Starlink Mini size.
We have Starlink Mini size 3D model to show the mount how to use to the customer.
So this is your mount?
Yeah, this is our mount.
And it's connected exactly to Starlink Mini?
Yes, we have the professional engineers to design the mount, so we keep the
It's
safety.
very stable?
Yes, stable and the safety and the safe material to the customer.
And also it's for the big one?
Yeah, for the bigger one, we have the standing up mount for the home use. So if you want to put the Starlink outside, you can use the mount to keep it.
But usually Starlink needs to go up, right?
Yeah, but you can keep this way. The network is connected from three
Everywhere?
Everywhere, yeah.
It's crazy. And what is here?
So this one is PoE device. It can separate the power and the network.
So it's power, network?
Power and the network separately. And it can keep the clean one, like you don't have to mess cables.
So you connect it to the Starlink?
Yeah, and the Wi-Fi router. Yeah.
And what is the advantage of using this compared to using basic Starlink router?
You can keep the home appliance very clearly. So you need to know how to use the Starlink and keep the home very,
Organized.
Organized.
And what is this showing here?
This showing the car. If you use the car, travel around like the country trip if you want, and you want to keep.
For example, inside this machine.
Yes, and you want to keep the internet is working smoothly, so you can use the Starlink with you everywhere.
So your business also work with the camper, the RV business?
Maybe some of them, but we are not sure because the customer they are from everywhere, so there's a possibility to, if we can working with the RV, it shows our products is more stable.
What is this?
Oh, this one is car charging. So you can use the put into the car charge, and they have the
Is enough power
battery.
for Starlink Mini?
Yes, there are enough power for.
Not for the big one, right? Only Mini?
Only Mini. They have different power charge.
Power requirement?
Yeah.
The Mini can even run on a power bank, right? But it's good to just have it in the car charge?
Yes, so you can, you put the foil into the car and they can change to the battery, which is more convenient to the customer who
Here you have another?
Car. Yes.
The shape that you do. Why is the hole like this for the connector? Is how it is to be, is about weather, something? There's some considerations here, right?
Oh, we have the protection during the product designs. Yeah.
Are these special routers?
This one is our network categories. So we have Wi-Fi 6 router, and we have Wi-Fi repeater for home use, and wireless HDMI, and we have Wi-Fi USB adapters.
What is this?
Those two are AP access points. So if you have a large house or large area need to cover the Wi-Fi, we will suggest you use the AP products to.
Is it strong signal?
Yes, strong signal, and it can extend your home Wi-Fi.
What if I'm like in a village and I want to give internet to everybody in the village? You work on this? Can I just put a bunch of these on one Starlink?
But it has the user maximum about 100 users, so it cannot cover everywhere, but it can provide the maximum coverage at this stage.
Nice. What is the solar powering?
The solar powering is provide the battery to our portable battery for Starlink Mini. So this one is our new design. When you turn on, it can show the battery amount. So
wow, how much battery is here? How long it will last, the Starlink?
It can last 5 to 6 hours, depending your use frequency. If you have one user or more user, it can be different.
And how does it connect to the Starlink? Is it Type-C?
The Type-C is providing to our phone or iPad, something like that. And if you use the Starlink, you just pop out like the photo shows.
And the power goes through here?
The power goes this way, this here. You use the Starlink cable put in, and the power will come through.
Nice.
Yeah.
And if I want more power, I just buy a few of those.
If you want if you want more power, you can plug in. We have the plug. Let me see.
Yeah, there was one here, but there's yeah, we can check it later. There's also this one, the version
this
here.
one is our first generation portable battery.
How popular is this one? Many people buy it?
Yeah, many people buy this one. Yeah.
So it's popular already, and people looking forward to the new one?
Yes, for the new one, you can see exactly the amount is left, so you can know when you need to charge.
Yeah, the new one feels stronger. It feels more power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
and this one is this? If I drive with my RV on the highway, it's not going to fall off?
No, because we have 10 magnets each round, so you have 4 rounds. The stability is very strong. The magnetic is very strong as well.
And every RV is a metallic roof, is magnetic, all of them?
Yes.
So it will be stay there.
Yes, stay
when
there.
you arrive, it's not going to be, oh, where's my Starlink?
We have the tester before, so if you like drive about a 100 speed, it will keep there.
Nice. This is also an adapter to put it on the one of these, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because some people buy second-hand Starlink, they don't have the whole accessory, so we provide the accessory to them, so keep them very, more easier to use.
And here is, you put it on the top of your RV there.
Yes.
On the roof, or this is, what is this with the screws?
This one is, you need to, the flat one for the bigger Starlink devices. So we will suggest you use the screw, it will keep more safe.
All right. You just don't want the screws to make the water go in.
No, we.
Or the insulation.
Oh,
and this is the one that was here also, right? It goes on the roof right there.
Oh, this one is different one, because this one is for the Starlink high performance. The size is different with the Starlink Mini, so we have designed the different mounts for the different generations.
And you have all the different angles people might want.
Yes, because
this way, this way. What does this one do? Another way?
This one is like it's more like this. You can put in the
on the rails.
Yeah.
On the thing for the luggage. What do you call it on the roof? And this one also. And then you have a bunch of high quality, because Starlink is not just using normal Ethernet, or is it just a PoE Ethernet, or it's just something more to make it good?
We use the Cat 5e cables as the Starlink official web suggests. We will apply their application and produce the cables. Because if you use too much, it won't working well as well. So we just obey the official web suggests to produce.
I bought a 45-meter cable on the internet. Do you think it's good? Can work, no problem, 45 meters?
45 meters, maybe.
Do you have 45 meters or long?
We have 56 meters for high performance, because it will depend your Starlink device as well. If you use the mini one, I will not suggest you use that too long meters.
And Starlink is really great technology. It's growing the market, right?
Yes.
And there's more people understand this, right?
Yeah.
All over the world. Not in China.
But because
not
we
yet.
have
How
different
soon is going to be in
policy.
China?
I'm not sure, but we will see.
Maybe next month. I think Donald Trump is going to meet Xi and they're going to sign a contract or something. Maybe, I'm joking. But so where's your customer? In US, Europe, everywhere?
Mostly overseas customers we have, and some Starlink are not allowed in their country as well, like India, like some countries in Africa. Yeah.
And your colleagues here, can you talk about them a little bit? Who's your colleagues?
They're all my colleagues.
Yeah, they're all here. The team, where's the team based?
Team base, we are in Shenzhen.
Shenzhen. Cool. And I guess there's always new idea, the customers ask for new things.
Yes,
all the time,
we
right?
can customize for them if they have enough quantity. Like they have very, very big market, we can customize their products for them.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology connects the future today.